Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Trends. In today's episode of Mastering Windows, we're diving deep into file management. Understanding how to organize your files and folders is crucial for staying productive. We'll be covering everything from basic file operations to advanced file explorer tips. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics: creating and renaming files and folders. To create a new folder, simply right-click anywhere in File Explorer and select New, then Folder. Give it a name and you're good to go. You can do the same to create new files like text documents or spreadsheets, depending on what programs you have installed. Renaming is just as easy. Right-click the file or folder, select Rename, and type in the new name. Remember to use descriptive names to keep things organized. Moving and copying files is essential for organizing your data. To move a file or folder, simply click and drag it to the new location. To copy, you can use the classic Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. Or you can right-click, select Copy, and then Paste. If you want to delete a file or folder, select it and press the Delete key. Remember, deleted files go to the recycle bin, so you can recover them if you change your mind. To permanently delete them, empty the recycle bin. Now, let's explore File Explorer in more detail. You can change how your files and folders are displayed using the View tab at the top. Here, you can choose from different layouts like large icons, details, or list. The Details view is particularly useful because it shows additional information like file size and date modified. You can also sort your files by clicking on the column headers. For example, click Name to sort alphabetically or Date modified to sort by date. Finding specific files can be a breeze with the search bar in File Explorer. Just type in the file name or keywords, and Windows will show you the results. You can further refine your search by using filters. For example, you can search for files modified within a specific date range or filter by file type or size. Just click on the search bar, and you'll see the filter options appear. Sometimes, you may need to compress files to save space or send them via email. Windows has a built-in tool for creating zip archives. Just select the files or folders you want to compress. Right-click, select Send to, and then Compressed Zipped Folder. To extract files from a zip archive, right-click and select Extract All. Choose the destination folder, and you're done. Finally, let's talk about OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service. OneDrive is integrated directly into File Explorer, making it easy to save and access your files from anywhere. Just drag and drop files into your OneDrive folder, and they'll be automatically synced to the cloud. You can also access your OneDrive files online by going to OneDrive.com. This is a great way to back up your important files and access them from other devices.onedrive.com. And that wraps up our deep dive into file management in Windows. We've covered everything from basic operations to advanced file explorer tips and cloud storage integration. By mastering these skills, you'll be well on your way to keeping your files organized and accessible. In our next episode, we'll be covering customizing your Windows experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Sure.